Hello friends, today we will learn how to find out summation of array elements using user-defined function. First of all, we need to include stdio.h, again include conio.h. I am leaving space for the function declaration here. We will do it later on. First of all, I am going to write void main. Here we need to find out summation of array elements, so I need to enter an array. I am considering array of 5 elements. Integer a of 5. To receive array, we need to use a loop. For that, I need a I iteration variable. Okay. Clear screen. Printf. Enter array values. To receive all array values, I need to loop from index number 0 to index number 4. So I am going to use a for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. To receive all array elements, I need to use scanf statement. Scanf %d ampersand a of I. So my array will be created here. Now I need to pass this array to a user-defined function. Suppose I am going to use sum as a function name. So I am going to call sum function with array A. Remember here, when we supply array to a user-defined function, in the calling statement, we just need to write array name only. Okay, now we need to do logic for user-defined function sum. Here, I am going to write a user-defined function sum. Void, function name is sum, and our argument is integer array. Our argument is integer array, so it must be received in integer array. So here I am receiving it integer x array. Remember here, when we supply array, in the calling statement we just need to write array name, and when we receive that array we need to use array symbol as well in the function declaration. Here I need to build logic to find out summation of array. For that I need to use loop. So I need a iteration variable I, as well as I need some variable that is 0. Now for loop, I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. If I write x of I, when I will be 0, I will get x of 0's value. When I will increase to 1, I will get x of 1 place value. So what I need to do, I need to add this value. So I just use logic sum is equal to sum plus x of I. So at each iteration, my s variable will calculate the addition of all the values. So once my loop is over, I have answer ready in s variable. So I just need to print that variable. So printf summation is equal to %d and s is my answer variable. Here our program is over, but we need to write this function declaration at the very beginning of the void main. So I just need to copy this prototype. Void, our function name is sum, and our argument is integer array. So I need to write integer and array symbol. And function declaration always terminate with semicolon. So here our program is okay. Thank you. Hello friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so I can give you more and more updated videos. Thank you very much.